This mango matcha drink is everything, refreshing, colorful and super simple to make at home. Start by peeling and chopping 1.5 ripe mangoes. Add them to a blender along with 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Blend until smooth. This is your sweet tropical mango base. Now let's whip the cream. In a bowl, add 188 ml of whipping cream, that's roughly 3/4 of a cup. Whip until it's thick and fluffy. Set aside. Time to prep the matcha. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of water and 1 teaspoon of matcha powder. Whisk it well until smooth. I accidentally used 1 tablespoon instead of 1 teaspoon, and let's just say it turned into a thick green paste. Don't do what I did. Stick to 1 teaspoon for the perfect texture. Now let's build the drink 2 ways. Take a tall glass, start with a generous layer of mango puree at the bottom, add a handful of ice cubes, then spoon in some of the whipped cream, and finally pour the matcha layer on top. Grab another glass and add ice first. Pour in the matcha water, then a spoonful or 2 of the whipped cream and about 2 tablespoons of milk to mellow it out. To finish, drizzle in some of that mango puree and a little more matcha on top. And there you have it. A refreshing, vibrant mango matcha drink that's fruity, creamy and just the right amount of earthy. Drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more unique, easy to make drinks and desserts that are as fun to look at as they are to sip.